Here are these MCQ questions and answers from the first chapter of CBSE, thus 8th class Social Science, The Rise of Nationalism in Europe. 1. In which year did the French Revolution occur? A. 1789, B. 1799, C. 1804, D. 1815. Answer A. 1789. 2. Who said, when France sneezes, the rest of Europe catches a cold? A. Napoleon Bonaparte, B. Metternich, C. Giuseppe Mazzini, D. Frederick Sorel. Answer B. Metternich. 3. In which country did Napoleon implement the Civil Code of 1804? A. Germany, B. Italy, C. France, D. Austria. Answer C. France. 4. What was the main cause of the rise of nationalism in Europe? A. Industrial Revolution, B. French Revolution, C. Religious movements, D. Scientific discoveries. Answer B. French Revolution. 5. Who was the founder of the Young Italy movement? A. Count Cavour, B. Giuseppe Garibaldi, C. Giuseppe Mazzini, D. Victor Emmanuel II. Answer C. Giuseppe Mazzini. 6. Who played a significant role in the unification of Germany? A. Otto von Bismarck, B. William I, C. Frederick Sorel, D. Metternich. Answer A. Otto von Bismarck. 7. In which year was the Vienna Congress held? A. 1815, B. 1821, C. 1830, D. 1848. Answer A. 1815. 8. What is Romanticism associated with? A. Cultural and artistic movement, B. Political movement, C. Religious movement, D. Scientific movement. Answer A. Cultural and artistic movement. 9. In which year was the unification of Germany completed? A. 1866, B. 1871, C. 1882, D. 1890. Answer B. 1871. 10. In which year was the unification of Italy completed? A. 1859, B. 1861, C. 1870, D. 1871. Answer C. 1870. 11. Who established the German Confederation? A. Napoleon, B. Metternich, C. Bismarck, D. William I. Answer B. Metternich. 12. Who was the leader of the Red Shirt Army? A. Giuseppe Mazzini, B. Giuseppe. 12. Who was the leader of the Red Shirt Army? A. Giuseppe Mazzini, B. Giuseppe Garibaldi, C. Count Cavour, D. Victor Emmanuel II. Answer B. Giuseppe Garibaldi. 13. In which battle did Napoleon lose his power? A. Battle of Waterloo, B. Battle of Leipzig, C. Battle of Trafalgar, D. Battle of Austerlitz. Answer A. Battle of Waterloo. 14. What was the main objective of the Vienna Congress? A. To promote nationalism in Europe, B. To restore monarchies in Europe, C. To encourage the Industrial Revolution, D. To strengthen Napoleon's power. Answer B. To restore monarchies in Europe. 15. How many states were included in the German Confederation? A. 25, B. 30, C. 39, D. 45. Answer C. 39. 16. Which war played a decisive role in the unification of Germany? A. Austro-Prussian War, B. Franco-Prussian War, C. Battle of Sedan, D. Battle of Waterloo. Answer B. Franco-Prussian War. 17. Which state played a significant role in the unification of Italy? A. Sardinia Piedmont, B. Venice, C. Naples, D. Rome. Answer A. Sardinia Piedmont. 18. In which year was the Frankfurt Parliament held? A. 1848, B. 1850, C. 1861, D. 1871. Answer A. 1848-19. Who became the first emperor of Germany after its unification? A. William I, B. Otto von Bismarck, C. Frederick III, D. Louis Philippe. Answer A. William I, 20. Who became the first king of Italy after its unification? A. Giuseppe Garibaldi, B. Victor Emmanuel II, C. Count Cavour, D. Giuseppe Mazzini. Answer B. Victor Emmanuel II, 21. What was the slogan of the French Revolution? A. Liberty, Equality, Fraternity, B. One Nation, One Leader, C. Peace and Progress, D. Revolution and Freedom. Answer A. Liberty, Equality, Fraternity, 22. In which year did Napoleon fall from power? A. 1815, B. 1821, C. 1830, D. 1848. Answer A. 1815, 23. Who presided over the Vienna Congress? A. Napoleon, B. Metternich, C. Bismarck, D. William I. Answer B. Metternich, 24. In which war was Austria defeated during the unification of Germany? A. Battle of Sedan, B. Austro-Prussian War, C. Franco-Prussian War, D. Battle of Waterloo. Answer B. Austro-Prussian War, 25. In which war was Austria defeated during the unification of Italy? A. Battle of Solferino, B. Battle of Sedan, C. Battle of Waterloo, D. Battle of Leipzig. Answer A. Battle of Solferino, 26. Which prison was stormed during the French Revolution? A. Bastille, B. Tower of London, C. Alcatraz, D. Chelsea. Answer A. Bastille, 27. Which countries did Napoleon invade? A. Russia, B. Britain, C. Spain, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above, 28. In which war was France defeated during the unification of Germany? A. Battle of Sedan, B. Austro-Prussian War, C. Franco-Prussian War, D. Battle of Waterloo. Answer C. Franco-Prussian War, 29. Which city was the last to join during the unification of Italy? A. Rome, B. Venice, C. Naples, D. Milan. Answer A. Rome, 30. Which king was executed during the French Revolution? A. Louis XIV, B. Louis XV, C. Louis XVI, D. Napoleon. Answer C. Louis XVI.